Hey beauties, Andrea. So in this video I'll be styling my hair and brushing my hair after I apply all the products on my hair. So we're going to be using the Flexy brush to style my hair. I've never been a big fan of using brushes to style your hair, especially the Demon brush, which is popular. People using it to style it. No, not a fan. It didn't really work for me. But since I touched this brush, just reviewed it, I'm gonna leave the review down below. I am definitely gonna try this because right after I detangled my hair in the review, I really loved the way that it left my curls. I like the way that it clumped it. So let's apply product to my hair and then style it with the Flexy brush. Dividing my hair in two, I'm gonna put this cream. It's a curling cream, pretty thick in a way. This cream is more of a styler than a leave-in, by the way, because of how thick it is and the effect that it has. It really does the job, but I still felt like it needed a little bit more help. I am going to apply the curling jello by Mango and Lime, Jamaica Mango and Lime. I'm going to leave the review also down below. Breaking it through. This is where I'm gonna get the Flexy brush and I'm going to brush it. By the way, yes, of course my hair is detangled. Alrighty, and then I'm going to scrunch it because you have to scrunch. Okay, moving on to the next. Crunch. And this is what it looks like. See how thickly clumped it left my hair? Yes, I do have water to spray just in case my hair is getting dry. Brush it. Oops, let me see how it's looking like. See those clumps? Oh yeah. Sometimes just raking it through, most of the time is actually what I do. Just enough, like what I'm doing right now. But you know, something new, different ways to clump it, I guess. Yeah. See that? Sorry, this different piece was just bothering me. Okay, so bring everything to the front. Everything is good. Make sure everything at the top is, nothing is frizzy. One thing about a flatter curly hair routine for the first day that I really like is the fact that after the first day here, you get amazing hair, like amazing volumized, defined hair. That's what I like. That's what my favorite days is, like second plus. But these are the results. See how clumped it is, like the way it clumps, that I really like. Do you see that? So beautifully clumped. Oops. Come on, join the group. But let's wait for this to dry 100% and we'll be right back. Alright, so we're back and my hair is about 95-97% dry, and yeah, it doesn't have many layers. That's why it's like really dead in the volume department. It's not crunchy at all. The product that I use does not make it crunchy. The Jello actually is a product that, even though it looks like a gel, it's so soft. It makes your hair feel so soft with whatever cream you use, and the cream had a lot of punch too, so don't forget that. It's a curling cream. So let me shake this like I usually do. I usually don't touch each curl. Yeah, I love the way this clumped my hair, you guys. It helped with the frizz so much, and also the curl pattern, of course. If so, if the diamond brush did not work for you, try the Flexy brush, okay guys? But I have very controlled results. It's like definitely something that needs to be styled. When you get a little bit of tiny bit of hair and you put it to the side, it makes a big difference. This is like really great results, you guys. There's no cast, there's nothing. I really like this technique. Don't forget to check the Flexy brush down below. I'm gonna leave it in the description box, and also check the review that I did on it down below. Need help with definition? This probably could help. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Bye. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and since that's not enough, don't forget to click the bell so you'll get notified of my videos. Thank you guys. And also, don't forget to check out my website, curlsbeauty.co, where you can literally ask me anything. You can shop there and shop on Amazon. I have each style ranging from slim fit and classic fit for sweaters and t-shirts. And of course, I sell out of the United States as well for each style on eBay. Yeah, check out my website and the bottom. Don't forget to subscribe so you know everything. Thank you guys. Bye.